As a follow-up to the Meghalaya Cherra Cement Limited stir, the General Secretary of the MCCEU Employees Union, Pynskhem Lyngdoh, informed media persons that the agitational program has been called off as the Chief Minister of the state, Conrad K Sangma, had accepted the joint petition of the union with the strong support of residents of Mawmluh area as regards to the payment of pending salary of all employees till the restart of the plant, as well as to urge upon the government towards the resumption of the plant at Mawmluh.
Have submitted the joint petition submitted by the employees and the citizens of the Sora area, Mawmluh area, regarding the running of the plant, regarding the salary of our employees. As you know, from the start of our agitation, we have circulated that joint petition for all the citizens of the area there and our employees who have supported us for that two reasons, that the salary should be paid to us till the plant run, and that the plant should run as quickly as possible. That also we have submitted to our Honorable Chief Minister in the presence of our chairman and also our local MLA, Sora and Shillong.
Also present was the MLA of Sora as well as the chairman of the MCCL, Shillong.